Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to conditionally format your date. In this example I want to highlight the orders with the shipping dates before today by red and the orders within the next 7 days by yellow and the dates after the next week by green. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, I have to highlight my data, okay, like this, and from the quick access button, okay, I select less than, and we have to specify the today date, but I am going to use the today function like this. So the date will be updated automatically, okay? Then I specify the format from the drop-down list. We have multiple format. In this one, I select light red and press OK. Okay, so the dates before today highlighted by red. Then I want to highlight the dates after the next week by green. So from the quick access button, I select greater than, okay, and I am going to use today function equal today, opening parentheses, closing parentheses, plus 7. And this means I want to format the next week and specify the format. In this one I am going to select green and press OK. Now the dates after the next week formatted by green. Then I want to format the dates within the next 7 days by yellow. In this time I am going to use the conditional format from the home tab. Then highlight sales rules and between. From the left box I type today function. This means greater than or equal today date. And the right box I am going to type today function plus 7. That means that I want to format the dates which greater than today date and less than the next 7 days. And specify the format. This time I am going to use yellow and press OK. Okay. Now the orders with the shipping dates before today is formatted by red, and the dates within the next 7 days by yellow, and the dates after the next week by green. I hope this tutorial is useful for all of you. Thank you so much and see you in another tutorial.